video. My name is Darren, I'm a development chef in Nestlé Professional, and this is just one of a series of recipes that myself and my colleagues are doing just using our Garden Gourmet vegan vegetarian range. Today we're going to do a stir fry, and we're going to use our Garden Gourmet Fillet Pieces. It's a frozen diced sort of chunk piece. It has the texture of chicken, so a little bit like a chicken thigh, so it stays moist. And it's just got a lovely flavours going through to it, so it's a great protein option. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to do today's video for the stir fry. They're a little bit different to the recipe that you'll find on the internet, because obviously the current situation, certain things aren't available. So I've replaced the mange tout with a courgette, so later on you'll see me prepping it all. Just some nice fine strips of veg to go. So we've got the fillet pieces, the onion, bean sprouts, spring onions, courgette, red and yellow pepper, we've got the egg noodles, got a nice hoisin sauce and some lovely olive oil, and then we just finish it all off with a lovely squeeze of lime. So all I'm going to do first of all is just take my pepper, just going to run through, just obviously a bit of knife skills, a bit of knife safety, and we'll just get them cut. Going to keep everything nice and fine because we want it to cook quick. The whole point is we don't want to overcook stuff, we want to keep it nice and fresh, get the nutrients in it, so let's get it cooked as quick as we can. Press down. Obviously make the bridge with your fingers and literally a nice sharp knife, just go through the peppers. Push them to one side and then on with the next one. You can go forwards, backwards, whatever you prefer, but the main thing is to make sure your fingers are out of the way and your knife is nice and sharp. Now we're going to start cooking. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. So we're going to get the stove on, want it on a nice hot heat to start off with. So I've got my wok ready to go. Just going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil just in the bottom of the pan. Peppers and onions, the longer you cook them for, the more flavour you're going to get out of them. So we've got the onions here, we've got the shredded onions. They're literally, you can see the pan smoking, straight in. Pick up your peppers, I use my knife. That, everything straight into the pan. This is going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so you just need to turn it over. See, you don't need to use tongs. If you don't want to, you can see nice colour starting to go a little bit translucent, a little bit of brown just coming around the edge of some of the peppers and some of the onions. So from there, we're now ready just to add our courgettes. So as you can see, I've done a nice small baton for that, probably more of a jardiniere rather than a julienne, but in straight away it goes. All of that in now. I'm going to add some of the hoisin sauce, just want a bit of flavour for it. So the hoisin sauce is the next one that we're going to add. You don't need to add all of it, just a couple of spoonfuls. You just want to coat it. To stop that from sticking and burning to the bottom of the pan, I've just got a little bit of water. Just going to put a tablespoon of water in. Just helps to steam everything and to keep everything cooking nicely. Look at that, how fresh and nice does that look? The last few bits I'm going to add the bean shoots. In they go. I'm going to add the fillet pieces at the same time. Add as much as you want to, it's not a problem. As I said, you can cook that from frozen, or you can let it slightly defrost. I am going to turn to tongs this time. I don't want it going all over the side. It's too much washing up to do. Okay, look at that. It's all getting nicely coated throughout. From now, I'm going to add my noodles. So you can add whatever noodles you want. Just cook them according to the manufacturer's label on the pack. And just add as many as you want. Sometimes you can cut them if you want. If it's easier for you, cut them. Or just leave them whole. Just stir everything through. Look at that. That looks fantastic. You just get my spring onions ready. So I've got my spring onions. I've trimmed them. I've cleaned them. So what I'm going to do, just finely shred them. And I'm going to put them over the top. Okay, we want every piece because we trimmed it off, so there's nothing there that you cannot eat. So everything goes together. Okay, I'm going to take a bit of lime, take it over to my pan, squeeze the lime juice in. Don't want too much, but you just want that nice freshness going into that pan. That's it, my stir fry's done. Now, you don't have to use hoisin. You can use a sweet chilli sauce if you wanted to. You can put fresh chilies into there. You can use baby corn in there. Whatever you put in there, cut it to the right size and just get it all cooked off nicely. There's our dish, all nicely plated up. Spring onions on top. That looks nice, it looks fresh, it looks vibrant. The colours look good. It looks healthy. That's using our Garden Gourmet Fillet Pieces. It's a beautiful dish, all ready to be eaten. I like to use chopsticks on mine. I'm not going to do it on camera, not whilst I'm wearing my chef's jacket, because I think I'll end up wearing more than what I'll actually do enjoying it. But give it a try. Hopefully you enjoy it and you see the benefits of using Garden Gourmet Fillet Pieces.